Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to make your composite bin at home, which will give you both liquid manure and solid manure to your plant. These cost somewhere close to 1500 rupees in the market, but whereas you can do it at home either in zero cost or say within 100-150 rupees. You can either use your 10-20 liter paint bucket with it should have a lid, or you get buckets like this which you get free of cost for your old cloths. Let us see how we are going to do this. So first we are taking this plate. I am taking two plates because this is a little bit weak and old plate. If you get a thick plate, you can use even one single plate. Okay. So what we are going to do is, I am going to notch a hole in this one. Keep this plate together, and I am using old waste which is no more used in my garden. Okay. And tight. Just cut some 4-5 cut here and there in the pipe, and now attach this pipe here. Okay. And I have used a bottle cap. You can either use a dummy. This is ready now. Now we have to create a hole here. I'm going to use something sharp material like this. Heat it. Keep it carefully. Now we are ready. You can see holes here and also holes here, which will let the water. I'm using this and filling. Why I'm using this? You can, if you want tomorrow, you can remove this. If you put the solution and paste it, you can't remove. So always it's better that we keep it as a multiple option. I'm not using this bucket, but I'm using a paint bucket. And in this I have to mark the hole here. Okay. Just making the hole a little bit bigger and bigger. Don't put a lot of force on the gun because it may break. Lightly, because it's nice. If it is good in heat, it will easily melt. You don't need to use force. Be careful. Don't get yourself injured, because if you get injured, then there's no use of making this cost effective, because you have to spend to doctor and medicine. So we are cleaning this both sides. We have cleaned both the sides so that there is no notches. Now insert so if it is a little bit tighter, it's good. Why? Because water leakage will not be there. Then use another washer inside. The washer is placed well. Now I am just putting in the locking system. Okay. We are testing for a leak test. There is no leak, so everything is fine now. So I have stuck this. Okay, it will not roll around now. You can use Fevikwik. Now the bin is ready for your usage. You can also use plates with hole, or you can make holes in the plate and use it instead of pipe. Also save your cost. You can place a little bit of coir in the corners so that the dust doesn't goes into the liquid area. Using some cocoa pea to start with, jaggery, so and keep it closed and keep it closed. Composite bin is ready. Even if you buy all the product, a 20-liter paint bucket will be somewhere close to 50 rupees. This tap is 35 to 40 rupees. The plate which we used inside is 20 rupees. The pipe should be 20 rupees. So it is 120 rupees, not more than that. You'll spend to do this composite bit, where you'll get both a liquid manure and a solid manure for your plants. Fourth, fifth day, you get this kind of liquid from this. You have to dilute with 1:10 ratio. 100 ml of fertilizer for 1 liter of water. After 60 days, you can see wonderful manure is ready for your garden. Use this and keep your country clean, keep your home clean, and get good yield from your home garden. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell button next to my subscription button to get my regular update. Bye bye.